Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can install OpenAI Codex in VS Code and build a website, and I'll show you everything step by step from the very beginning. First of all, what you need to do is that you need to open your VS Code, and then on the left side you will see this extensions option. So you need to click on extensions, and here you need to search for Codex. So once you search for Codex, you will see a lot of option here, but you need to look for the one with OpenAI. So here you can see it's written over here OpenAI, and here you can see Codex OpenAI coding agent. So here you can see install button. So click on install. Then you can see it is installing, and it will take a few seconds to install Codex inside VS Code. So here you can see Codex is installed, and make sure to check this on auto update. So right now we can close this, and let me just open a folder right now. I'll click on file, then click here open folder, and let me just create a folder over here. So let's say the folder name will be vs-codex. You can name the folder anything you want. So I'll just name this folder and select this folder. So this folder will open over here, and since we install Codex in our VS Code, right now here you can see we have the chat option. You can just click here open chat, and it will open this chat over here. Let me just close this, and if I just click here open chat, it will open it over here, and here you can see we have the Codex option. So you need to click on Codex, and it will show you a login option. So the easiest way to log in is sign in by your ChatGPT account. So we are going to click here sign in with ChatGPT, and it will automatically open a browser. So right now we are going to continue with Google, and I am going to choose my ChatGPT account and click here continue, and there you can see sign into Codex. So it's done. So you can now close this page. So I'm going to close this. So here you can see currently we are logged in, and we have a chat option over here. So right now let's go and build a simple project. So where will we see over here, build me a funny website for cats using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So I'm just going to click here, and right now Codex will read out prompt, and based on the prompt it will build us a website. So Codex is capable of building both front end, back end, any kind of project basically. And here you can see we have a transformation option. So if I just click here, it will showing multiple option. So I'll suggest you to choose this option, full access. Just give full access to Codex, so that you don't have to give approval multiple times. So it will save a lot of hassle and time for you. And over here you can choose medium, light, high, extra high, ultra. So normally you can for normal or even TBD medium, but if you have some complex or you can go with high, extra high and ultra. And before to choose different model, then the shift click here, and you can show him all the model available in Codex. And if you want to upload some image and file to the Codex, you can do it over here as well. You can just upload a file or a image and tell Codex to make a similar design, and Codex will do it for you. And there you can see Codex already created some HTML file over here. So right now I'll just fast forward the video until the project creation is complete. And also you can try Codex completely for free. You don't have to pay for it. And there you can see it's done, and it took around 2 minutes or 23 seconds. It's quite fast. So we can just tell Codex to run the project for me, and Codex will run the project for us. So here you can see it run the project to this address. So if I just click here, it will open the project over here. You can see, so it's quite amazing. And if you want, you can just copy this link, Control C, and just go to any browser and paste it over here and press enter. It will show you the website in the browser. There you can see. So yeah, this is how you can use Codex inside VS Code.